Julius Pakinggan, representing Lugad, Misamis Oriental, the great man of the universe, Philippines, Ambassador for Charity and Elderly.
Hi, this is Brian, and congratulations for winning one of the Ambassador Awards. No, how are you feeling right now?
Hello, good evening, sir. It feels surreal. I don't really have the exact words on how to express what I feel right now, but I am so happy for what I achieved tonight.
Did you expect to win one of the Ambassador Awards or one of the titles?
No, actually, I didn't expect anything for in this competition. What I did is like I just want to justify my efforts and at the same time to make my municipality Lugait be proud of me. Yeah.
And what kind of preparations did you have for this pageant?
Well, aside from physically, like I always go to the gym, work out, and at the same time, I have pasarela and Q&A coaching with myself, and also the preparations of what to bring and the requirements for Great Man of the Universe Philippines. Yeah.
And for my last question, what is your message sa mga supporters mo or from your region?
Hello everyone, especially Lugaitnons and Iliganos. Thank you so much for always supporting me since day one. I do really appreciate it. And at the same time to the Lugait Misamis Oriental, Mayor Toto Lim, Kagawad Ernest, and Tourism Office Head, Renjo Cares Gabi for allowing me to represent Lugait Misamis Oriental. This is such a wonderful experience and I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.